Kentucky. Kinda cool at least. Hualien station. This is a hostel. It's bigger than where we were a few days ago. Or just last night, actually. It's also like, what, 3 times the size of Tokyo? Oh. And yes, air conditioning. Very, very important. Kind of looks a little cloudy. That little square reminds me of the place I grew up with. Very angry clouds. This is a light drizzle. It could get worse. Rain. In the last minute decision, we decided not to go, and surely enough, 5 minutes later, this is what we get. Jenny was saying it's at least lucky that we arrived here and didn't have to run through the rain to go to our hostel. The unfortunate thing is that this town's really known for just the seaside and biking there, and if it's raining, we can't do that. We'll see.
Surprised you didn't get your O's.
Ooh.
2 for 10.
Let's do it.
Which one you want?
Seaweed. Great decision for not going out. Holy. Can we even go to the night market at this point? Yeah. Rain this heavy can't last long. I hope. Huh? Huh. Come on, people. Babies and poop card. At least it's not like drizzling like it was a few hours ago. It's just hot and humid and a little wet.
他也不是问你姓什么。
Very wet. Not gonna lie, some of the foods they were selling look kind of sketch. I'm like, this can't be clean. Maybe it's just like because it's rainy and wet, and I'm just like, yeah.
I think it's just the mood. But I'm not.
Yeah, that's fair. We made it in. Oh my god, this is freezing. I'm freezing cold. There's air conditioning in here. Wow. More thunder. Around 1 to 20 Canadian, so 100 would be $5.
Okay, better.
Oh no, must stay away.